Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best Razer mouse that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Razer Cobra Pro is a wireless gaming mouse that offers a compelling combination of high-performance features and customizable aesthetics. With 10 customizable controls, gamers can easily remap essential commands and complex macros for greater control. It supports 5 onboard memory profiles, allowing users to switch between preset game configurations effortlessly. The mouse boasts 11 Chroma RGB lighting zones, each customizable with 16.8 million colors, enhancing the gaming experience with dynamic lighting effects. Its Focus Pro 30K optical sensor ensures flawless tracking performance on various surfaces, including glass, supported by intelligent functions for improved aim and control. Razer's HyperSpeed wireless technology provides ultra-responsive gaming, faster than other wireless tech. The Gen 3 optical mouse switches offer unrivaled durability and speed, with a 90 million click life cycle and 0.2 milliseconds actuation time. The mouse delivers up to 170 hours of battery life on Bluetooth or 100 hours on HyperSpeed, and it can be charged via USB Type-C. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended gaming sessions, making it ideal for marathon gaming. With versatile connectivity options, including 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and a wired USB Type-C connection, the mouse adapts to various gaming setups. Designed for gamers who demand precision, speed, and style, the Razer Cobra Pro is an excellent choice for competitive gaming. Its wireless capabilities, high-performance sensors, and durable switches make it suitable for various gaming genres. While it lacks the extensive button layout of dedicated MMO mice, it compensates with a solid build, excellent performance, and extensive customization options, making it a compelling choice for versatile gamers. The Razer Naga V2 Pro is a high-performance wireless gaming mouse, specifically designed to excel in MMO and MOBA genres. Its standout feature is its versatility, thanks to interchangeable side plates that offer 2, 6, or 12 button configurations. This adaptability ensures that the mouse can be tailored to the unique demands of various games, providing an edge to gamers who require quick and precise command inputs. Equipped with a Focus Plus 20K DPI optical sensor, the Razer Naga V2 Pro delivers exceptional accuracy and speed, essential for high-stakes gaming scenarios. The Razer HyperScroll Pro Wheel enhances the user experience with smooth scrolling and tactile clicking, while the Razer optical mouse switches ensure rapid response times and long-lasting durability. The mouse's ultra-low latency wireless connectivity, powered by Razer HyperSpeed Wireless, guarantees a seamless gaming experience without interruptions. Designed for comfort, the ergonomic shape of the Naga V2 Pro allows for extended gaming sessions without strain. Its customizable Chroma RGB lighting lets users personalize the mouse's appearance with millions of color options, adding a touch of style to its functionality. With an impressive battery life of up to 150 hours on HyperSpeed and 300 hours on Bluetooth, this mouse is built to endure long gaming marathons. Overall, the Razer Naga V2 Pro is a powerful tool for gamers who demand precision, customization, and comfort, making it a top choice in the gaming community. The Razer Pro Click Mini is designed for professionals on the go, combining a compact portable design with a suite of features tailored for efficient work. This wireless mouse offers silent tactile clicks, ensuring a distraction-free environment whether in the office or working from home. Its sleek compact design makes it an ideal travel companion, fitting easily into backpacks or briefcases. Key features include HyperScroll technology for effortless navigation through long documents or web pages, and a productivity dongle that allows for quick switching between devices. The mouse can connect to up to 4 devices simultaneously, making it easy to transition between your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. With 7 programmable buttons, users can customize functions to streamline their workflow. The silent mechanical switches are designed for up to 15 million clicks, ensuring durability and longevity. The scroll wheel offers free spin, tactile, and tilt-click modes, enhancing navigation precision. Powered by Razer HyperSpeed technology, the mouse provides unparalleled wireless freedom, allowing you to maintain a clean, clutter-free workspace. With extended battery life, the Razer Pro Click Mini is built for maximum productivity and minimal sound, making it an essential tool for professionals seeking efficiency and portability. The Razer Viper V2 Pro is a high-performance gaming mouse designed for speed, precision, and comfort, making it a popular choice among professional gamers. This ultra-lightweight mouse allows for swift and effortless movements, enhancing agility during intense gaming sessions. Its wireless capability, powered by Razer's HyperSpeed wireless technology, ensures a lag-free and stable connection, providing a seamless gaming experience. The mouse is equipped with a Focus Pro 30K optical sensor, which offers unmatched precision and tracking, making it ideal for competitive gaming. Additionally, the Razer Optical mouse switches Gen 3 deliver lightning-fast response times and boast a 90 million click lifespan, ensuring durability and reliability. One of the standout features of the Razer Viper V2 Pro is its remarkable battery life, offering up to 90 hours of continuous use on a single charge. This longevity is complemented by a quick charging option via a USB Type-C cable, ensuring minimal downtime between sessions. The mouse's ergonomic design is crafted for comfort, allowing for long gaming sessions without causing fatigue. Its ambidextrous shape caters to both right and left-handed users, and the inclusion of customizable grip tape enhances handling and control. The Viper V2 Pro also features on-mouse DPI controls, enabling users to toggle between 5 DPI settings without the need for additional software. This functionality allows for quick sensitivity adjustments during gameplay, catering to the varying needs of different games and playstyles. The mouse's sleek and minimalist design, devoid of excessive RGB lighting, appeals to gamers who prefer a more understated aesthetic. Overall, the Razer Viper V2 Pro combines lightweight construction with cutting-edge technology, making it a top choice for serious gamers seeking both performance and comfort. The Razer DeathAdder Essential is a budget-friendly gaming mouse that offers a solid foundation for gamers looking for a reliable and comfortable peripheral. It's part of the iconic DeathAdder line, known for its ergonomic design and durability. The mouse features a right-handed ergonomic design, accommodating various grip styles, though it is best suited for larger hands. This design helps prevent fatigue during extended gaming sessions, ensuring comfort and control. Equipped with a 6400 DPI optical sensor, the DeathAdder Essential provides accurate tracking across different gaming genres. The DPI settings can be adjusted in increments of 100, allowing for precise movements and control during gameplay. The mouse also includes 5 programmable hyper-response buttons, which can be customized using Razer Synapse 3 software, enhancing its versatility for various gaming needs. Durability is a key feature of the DeathAdder Essential, with Razer's mechanical switches rated for up to 10 million clicks, ensuring longevity and reliability during intense gaming sessions. The mouse also features rubber side grips, enhancing grip and control, and subtle green Razer Chroma RGB lighting for a classic Razer look. As a wired mouse, it offers consistent performance without the worry of battery life. Overall, the Razer DeathAdder Essential is a solid choice for gamers seeking an affordable option without compromising on the classic DeathAdder comfort and performance. While it may not have all the advanced features of higher-end models, its ergonomic design, reliable performance, and durability make it a popular choice among both casual and competitive gamers.